Everybody is looking for a health boost. What if I told you it starts with your gut? Your gut health is the key to overall well-being. It helps with digestion, boosts immunity, and even lifts your mood. Today, we're sharing 5 simple gut-friendly drink recipes that you can whip up in no time. First up, the probiotic smoothie. Blend 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 banana, 1 cup of mixed berries, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 cup of almond milk. Enjoy a refreshing start to your day. Next we have kombucha lemonade. Mix 1 cup of kombucha, juice from 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 cup of sparkling water. Add ice cubes, stir and sip on this fizzy delight. For a soothing option, try turmeric ginger tea. Steep 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger in hot water for 5-10 minutes. Strain, add honey, garnish with a lemon slice and enjoy. Feeling green? Blend 1 cup of spinach, 1 green apple, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of coconut water, and 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger for a nutrient-packed green smoothie. Lastly, the apple cider vinegar detox drink. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Perfect for kickstarting your digestion in the morning. These drinks not only taste great, but also support digestion, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and enhance your mood. Try them out and let us know your favorite. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.